Now back to the escape wheel. If after removing the verge, like we'll do here, the escape wheel starts to turn slowly versus spinning quickly. See, that's considered spinning quickly. Now if it does go slowly, that indicates a loss of power in the time train. Sluggish power in a clean movement suggests there's friction in the pivot holes, rough pivots, warped wheels, or incorrect depthing. Depthing is the accurate and proper alignment of the wheel and the pinion. What we're talking about is where the wheel lines up with the pinion, or the alignment of it. Incorrect depthing is most evident in the wheels that have a wear pattern on the teeth. Also, using a mainspring that is too strong can contribute to excessive wear. Let's look at an example of a wear pattern that's created on the teeth because of incorrect depthing, or possibly a mainspring that's too strong for the movement. Note the wear on these teeth, how they're scalloped on the inside like this. On these teeth right here. In fact, the whole wheel is that way. Now, this is the result of either poor manufacturing or worn pivot holes that cause the arbors to tilt and the misalignment producing this resulting wear. This is what we talk about when we're talking about possibility of incorrect depthing and the wear that it can cause. And if you take a closer look at this movement, you might be able to tell the source of what's causing this. If you look here, it appears that we have a worn cylindrical shaped hole here, or pivot hole, on the great wheel, which is causing a misalignment to the great wheel to this second wheel pinion. And that could very well be the source of the wear that we're seeing on this. So we'll have to rebush the winding arbor on the back side here to make this work.